In this video, we are going to show you how to assemble your RH Activ chair. To begin, slide the armrest into the slot on the underside of the seat using the screw to tighten into place. Firmly place the gas stem into the base. Next, position the top of the gas stem into the seat. Then, position the chair so it's the right way up. With the chair backrest towards you, slide the backrest into the slot at the back and push into place until it clicks. Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Watch our next video to learn how to set up your chair.